Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'll be doing an impression of Dr. Nefarious from Ratchet and Clank, A Crack in Time. Hope you all like it. Here we go. Oh, but there is. And I have you three to thank for it. Initiate Super Wavy Flashback Effect. Thanks to you and your dim-witted friend here, I found myself drifting through the cosmos. Have you ever spent time on an asteroid? It's surprisingly boring. Nothing for a villain to do but dwell on his failure. Then, one day, the fun goid saved us. But still, failure burned inside my circuitry. How could I have been defeated by the likes of you? Why had the universe been tipped in your favor? I embarked on a crusade through the inner recesses of what you call the soul. I studied fungoid meditation, attended anger management class, dabbled in yoga, attended more anger management class, until finally I went on a spirit walk on planet Quantos. It was here I finally found what I had been missing, the great clock! With the clock under my control, I'll be able to wrangle the rights in the universe. Every villain who has ever stumbled will get a do-over. Every protagonist's triumph will be reversed, until finally a new present is created, in which the heroes always lose. Gods! How do you like my asteroid flinger 5000? I had it installed in the event I ever needed a super ironic death scenario. Time will tell. Bon voyage, my old nemesis. Okay, guys, hope you all liked it. Have a good day, everyone. I'll see you all soon. In the words of Dimitri, peace out, bros.